Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Stella's Original World. Now if you're new, you are gloriously welcome. And if you're my old buddies, subscribers, friends, oh my God, you all already know how I feel about you all. I appreciate you all. You are awesome. Please continue to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share, comment, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Today, it's all about DIY, okay? So let's get into it. I'm not going to tell you what it's all about. Let's get into this DIY, okay? Let's go. So I found this bucket at the Dollar Tree. It's actually a beach bucket with a little play toy shovel. I'm going to use it for this DIY. Just pop it up like that and it comes off. Easy. Right now I'm going to use the bucket like this. And right here I'm going to cut off some of this bucket. I'm going to cut it off like that. Hopefully my scissors can tackle it. I don't want to kill these scissors, but I'm going to attempt to cut it off like that. It's not going to be that easy, but I might have to go in with my knife, special knife. It's not easy, but it's doing it. I have succeeded in cutting this bucket like this. I made like a ridge. I cut it like that. Now this is a placemat from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this placemat to cover it up like that. Like that. I just want it to be covered like that. There you go. So covering it, I'm gonna glue it together to close the seam. You want to put as much glue as you want to because you want it to hold very well. You don't want it to break. What I'm doing is for the outdoors, so it has to be able to withstand every bad condition, every terrible weather that comes at it. So I'm gonna make sure it's strong enough to withstand that. That's why I'm gonna go inside of it to glue it some more. Yep, cover it up some more inside. And then when that is done, we just chop off the excess. You set it aside and you go over You get another, I have another old placemat that I don't even use. So I'm gonna try to utilize it. It's gonna be for the base. And then I'm gonna cut it out. This placemat has seen better days. It's for the outdoors and it's seen better days. Just take it like that. Just cut it off. So right now I'm done covering it. Putting this placemat over this bucket like that. I'm gonna attach the other placemat to it like that. I'm gonna attach it, make sure it stays very well. Go as fast as I can before the glue dries on me. And then attach it. See? It's attached. It's not going nowhere. Next, this raffia from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use it to line up. Use it to line up this. I believe you probably know what this is right now. If you don't, keep watching. The raffia is from Dollar Tree. You can use whatever material you like. So I'm just gonna use it to go around it like that. Apply your glue. Apply your raffia. And keep turning around. But I guess the end result makes you happy, makes it worth it. So I'm still walking around with the raffia all over it, all around it, covering all the spaces. So this is how I do it. I put down my glue and I glue it down. Glue it down and massage it. Make sure it gets each and every one of that raffia. It's gonna hurt. It does hurt, and the glue will stick to you. But there's an application that you can wear, and the glue doesn't touch your fingernail or doesn't burn you. I have it, but I don't like using it. I'm sorry. I don't like using it, so I prefer to just do it carefully. Sometimes it's so tight, sometimes it doesn't fit right, it doesn't feel right, so I don't use it. I use my hands. So if you can already guess what this is, kudos to you. If not, keep watching. I'm just getting more raffias and just gluing it down to cover all the spots and spaces left. Carefully. Like that. Just keep working with it. Sometimes you just have to put the glue to glue the ones that apparently didn't glue down. And yes, you guessed it, I'm gonna put my nails on it, my finger on it, just to make sure it lays down. It's not the easiest DIY I've ever done, but hopefully it's gonna be worth it. But I succeeded in covering around, almost all over it with the raffia. Now I have the green raffia. I'm gonna attach some of it on top, just to give it color. This is hard work, but we already started. We gotta finish. I don't believe in quitting. I don't quit. I'm not a quitter. So let's go. Once I start it, I gotta finish it, no matter how hard it is. So right now it's time to tackle the roof of it. I don't know if another kind of glue would have been better for this raffia, because it's not working very well with the glue gun. Maybe E6000, maybe Gorilla Glue, something else. But the glue gun, no, it's giving it such a hard time. It does not want to take it. I'm just forcing it. I'm being patient with it. Covered up. So now it's time to trim it. Trim, trim, trim. Do you know what this is? Okay. Let me know in the comment section below if you know what this is before I tell you. Did you know what it was before I told you it was a bird house? Outdoor bird house. Yay. A nice little bird house. Okay. A nice little bird house of no regrets. And I'm gonna take this little sunflower in brown. I just love this earthly colors. It looks so real and natural. I'm just gonna attach it to the side, and our birdhouse is done. Okay, I'm gonna hang it on a tree out there, outdoors. I may leave some food in there for them to attract them. And I'm just gonna find something to hang it. It's done. I'm recording. You could delete it. So I found this little stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. It says, "Bless our home." So I attached it here. I'm gonna glue it on, and with the string that came with it, I'm gonna hang this birdhouse on a tree. I am so excited. Are you guys excited at my this beautiful birdhouse? I don't know, but me, I am so excited because I just want to see a bird go onto it. And I'm gonna be leaving them some crumbs, food, name it. I'm gonna leave it in here. I'm a lover of nature, so hopefully the birds will be attracted to this birdhouse. I'm gonna watch them 24/7 with a camera. Birdhouse is ready. Happy bird. So we are about to make a second birdhouse. Now, you don't need much. You need a plastic water bottle, any plastic container. You need a cocoa liner. You need a table mat. A table mat. I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. You need burlap ribbons. You need flowers, your glue gun, and you're ready to go. You don't need much. And then you're gonna make a door with your marker. You make a door, and then you use whatever you can, a knife, a scissor, and you cut out the door. Hopefully this knife can cut it out. See, it's cutting it out without stress because this plastic is not that strong. See how easily it's chipping it out. See, it cut out so easily. Look at it. Now we want to make a base of it. Before we make the base, we're going to make the roof of it. So that's where the cocoa liner comes into play. We said this aside. It's kind of windy today. It's very nice out here. I love when it's nice weather. I can't complain. Thank you, Jesus. So I'm cutting this cocoa liner to fit. We're going to use it to make a roof. So I'm going to cut it into another half. I'm not measuring, I'm just cutting. So I'm almost done covering it with the cocoa liner. This is the last part. It's very tough. The glue, it's not really gluing it, but I'm forcing with it. I'm like applying so much pressure, forcing it to be stuck. Otherwise, if you have any strong glue, feel free to use it. At this point, I'm done covering it. It's been covered successfully with some tug of war. As you can see, now it's time to make the base. I'm gonna make the base with the table mats, okay? So all I have to do is to put this on top and trace it. Trace the size of the base and cut it out. It's a little bit much, but that's okay. We are just gonna trace it. Trace it. Trace it. the burlap ribbon, we're gonna cover the rest of the body. It's all covered, so all I need to do right now is to line inside with a burlap ribbon. I'm just gonna line inside. You don't have to do that step, but I just want to do it. I just wanted to do it. And I'm gonna cover up the sides, all the sides with a burlap ribbon. We are almost done. It's time just to embellish with some flowers and let it go. Some flowers, I got this from Dollar Tree. You know, Dollar Tree, they're having some popping flowers, but you have to get them on time. If you don't get them on time, you're not gonna find them. And then I have this, I got from Dollar General, Farm Shop Fresh Bacon. It doesn't matter if it's a birdhouse. I'm just gonna use this as a hanger because I need something to hang it to the tree. So I'm gonna glue this right here and let it hang this to the tree, like that. Or I'll put it over here. We'll figure it out. And we are done. It's finished, okay? Easy. I glue this to the back of it so we can use it to hang it on the tree. And I'm gonna put some treats in there for the birds that come along. And then we're gonna go hang it. That's it. A bottle bird house. Easy. Let's go hang it.